Who's down there, Azalea?
Kitty.
Kitty?
I'm here.
Kitty's down there? Oh, kitty cat. Well, oh, I think she's sleeping, honey.
Oh, she's
Oh, she just-
tired.
She is tired.
Uh,
Yeah. And she's comfortable down there.
I like her.
You what?
I like her.
You like her? Oh, how much do you like her?
that big much?
Big much? Oh, yeah? Who else do you like?
Mommy and Ellie and Zed and Baby Woody and Kitty and Zed.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah.
Is it snowing outside? A lot?
Oh, see snow. No.
You have to go on the other side.
Oh. No.
And then we have a little sick child over here. Aw, she's not feeling very well today. Are you sick, Ellie? How are you feeling?
Not good.
Not good. Where does it hurt? Oh, have you been coughing a lot? Your throat hurts, huh? And didn't have a very good night's sleep, huh? I'm so sorry, sweetie. Oh, look who traversed over to the other side of the couch and is looking outside in the snow. On this blustering, blizzardy, boisterous day.
Me.
It's you? Pretty nice outside. I don't know if you can see the flurries, but it's there. Alrighty. And this one, she just can't get. She can't help herself. She just needs to pester the kitty cat. So it was the opposite last week. She was the one docile, and Ellie was the one that was all over the place. What, honey? Okay. Now Ellie is the one over there just laying there. And Zaylee's like all over the place. Full of life and energy. And how appropriate, right? Frozen on a frozen kind of day.
Yay.
Okay, be nice to kitty cat, okay, Zelia?